In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the GTA 5 script hook v critical error. Now what you want to do is just simply Google it and go to this website, AB Software Development, come in here, press download, and you should have the zip file. After that, you want to take your zip file, put it on your desktop or anywhere else, and in here, if you want, you can read the how to install one, or you can just simply follow what I do. Now you want to open up the bin folder. Everything in here we want to put into our GTA folder. So just search for Steam, right click and open file location, then come in here, scroll all the way up, Steam apps, common, and then you have a GTA 5 here. Then what you want to do is just simply replace these files in here, boom, and there we go. Now once they're in this folder, it should work. Now keep in mind, for some reason, if none of these work, you can come back and read this one because they have another option you can do. But also, for some reason, this might not work for everyone, and sometimes you just have to wait for GTA to make the new update. Now that's basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.